Hey, it's John from New Earth News. We're here on a landscaping project real quick. What we've got is we've got a mulch job that's going to go on. And what's going on is basically there's no mulch on the ground. We're down to bare dirt. So what we're going to do is we're going to blow the leaves first, get them all off where we're going to be mulching. Then we're going to take our edgings, shovels. We're going to go along the driveway, along where there's brick, all around the hard edges, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to give them a nice 3-inch depth edge, so that the mulch, if it does blow, which mulch does do, we will be able to have the mulch go down in there and not onto the sidewalk or anything like that. So we're going to get it cleaned up in about 2 hours. We'll get it all done, and then we'll show you what we got. See you in a few hours. Okay, here we are, John. We're back. We're done. Okay, so now as you can see, we got nice dyed black mulch. We use dyed black mulch, and the dye is made out of soy, so it is biodegradable. But the reason we use dyed mulch is dyed will hold its color for up to 2 years. Regular double shredded mulch will bleach out within a year to 6 months to a year because of the sun, and it's just natural wood. But with the dye, it helps retain it. One thing we do, a lot of companies don't do, they tell you they're going to do 2 inches to 3 inches. We actually do it. So look down here. And you can see there's about 3 inches of mulch. Alright, so the reason you want your mulch 2 to 3 inches is because, one, it suppresses the amount of weeds. It will not stop weeds because weeds naturally come from the top down. Okay? But it will suppress weeds from growing because they really don't have a chance to root, because there's air going through this, and they just don't have a chance to root. Whereas if you have a very small amount of mulch, just enough to cover the dirt, a weed can take in and get down to that soil, and then it sprouts, and then you got to worry about the roots. We talked to you about our edge, so you can see where we have our edge. So it's sort of angled right here, so if it comes down, it comes right here and it doesn't overflow onto the curb line or the sidewalks. Overall, we're done. And the client's happy, and we're happy. And if you need an estimate, give us a call, 703-463-7402. See you next time on New Earth News.